Hi, welcome back to Elements of Food. Today we'll be making MarionBerry CheeseCake. Start with 1 pack of plain graham crackers, 1/4 cup of softened butter, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Crush your crackers, then add the rest of your ingredients. Make sure your crust is slightly moist so it can be molded. Pour your mixture into a 9-inch non-stick Springform pan. If you don't have one, just use a regular pie pan and mold your crust accordingly. Now let's start with the filling. You'll need 1 3/4 block of cream cheese, softened, 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 2 eggs, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Blend evenly and make sure there is no lumps, because nobody likes a lumpy cheesecake. Pour into your pie pan and gently tap out your bubbles. Put into the oven at 350 for 35 to 40 minutes. And while that's cooking, let's go make our topping. In a pot, add 1 pound of Marionberries, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of sugar, 7 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1/4 cup of water. Bring your mixture to a simmer before adding your cornstarch slurry. Let it cool down before pouring over your cheesecake. I only let it cool for 2 hours, but store in the fridge overnight for best results. This would go great with summer picnics and barbecues. Cut and enjoy! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now!